Good day, class. Welcome to Plain Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at another topic: subtraction of whole numbers, fractions, and decimals in mathematics. Let's start with whole numbers. 1. Subtraction of whole numbers. Let's start with examples so as to understand the steps you need to take to perform subtraction operation on whole numbers. Examples. 1. Subtract 2 4 2 8 4 6 8 from 4 7 2 3 4 4. So this question is a very straightforward question. It's just asking us to subtract 28,468 from 472,344. In our previous video on basic operations in mathematics, we have explained in details subtraction operation. You can go there and watch the video to understand subtraction operation better. Subtraction operation means to remove the value of a number from another number. So let's deal with this question. You write in subtraction, you first of all write the biggest number. So the biggest number is 4 7 2 3 4 4. Then you write the second number. You don't start writing from here. You write from the back or from the right to the left. Don't forget. So if I want to write this, I write 8 6 4 8 2. Then I put my operation sign so that somebody will know what I'm trying to do. So now we now say 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is not possible. What do? You borrow 1 from 4 to this. So this number becomes 14. So you now say 14 minus 8. That will give you 6. Now, don't forget you have taken 1 from here. So what is left here is 3. So 3 minus 6 is still not possible. You borrow 1 from here. So this place, you now have 13. So 13 minus 6, that will be 7. Alright? Now, this place, you have also borrowed 1 from here. So what you have here is 2. Now, 2 minus 4 is also not possible. You borrow 1 from here. So what you have here now is 12. Now say 12 minus 4. You have 8. Now, this place, you have borrowed 1 from here. What you have here is 1. 1 minus 8 is still not possible. You borrow 1 from here, and what you now have here is 11. Now say 11 minus 8, you have 3. Now, here, you are no longer having 7. You have 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Then you have 4 here. So this is the final answer for this question. So that is a step-by-step way of performing subtraction operation on whole number. Let's look at another example to understand subtraction operation better. 2. Let's say you have a question that says, what is the difference between 6 7 1 4 6 and 3 8 6 7 8? So that is the question we are having. Question mark. So the question is asking us to find the difference between 67,146 and 38,678. Now, difference. Don't be scared when you hear the word difference in mathematics. It means minus or subtraction. So it's also asking you to remove one number from another number. So it's not a big word. Now let's go. How do we do it? We look at the biggest number. The biggest number is 67,146. So that's the number we write first. 67146. Now, when you want to write the second number, like I said, you don't start writing from here to avoid mistake or error. You start writing from the back. So I'll write 8, 7, 6, 8, 3. I'll put my operation sign. Okay. Now, I'll now start asking the necessary questions. 6 minus 8 is not possible. I'll borrow 1 from here. This will be 16. So 16 minus 8, I'll write 8. Here I have 3 left. 3 minus 7 is not possible. I'll borrow 1 from here to 8. So this place will become 13. So I'll now say 13 minus 7, that is 6. Now, I've removed the one that was here before. So what I have here is now 0, right? I'll borrow 1 from here. This place will become 10, right? So 10 minus 6, 4. So I've removed 1 from here before. So what I have here is 6. So 6 minus 8 is still not possible. I'll borrow 1 from here. So this place is 16. So I'll now say 16 minus 8 is still 8. Now what I have here is not 6 again, is 5. 5 minus 3, 2. So the difference between 67,148 and 38,678 is 28,468. So that is a very simple way of performing subtraction operation on whole numbers in mathematics. Now, let's look at this question again, because example, like I said, is always better because it gives students opportunity to understand a particular concept in mathematics very well. So let's look at another example. Evaluate 73395 minus 9527 minus 146 minus 95. So the question is asking us to evaluate this. To solve this kind of question, you need to do it step by step. That is my own style, just to avoid mistake or error. So we'll start doing it step by step. First of all, solve this one and this one. The result, we remove this one from it. The result, we remove this one from it. That is what I mean by step by step. So let's start. 7, 3, 3, 9, 5. Then I write the second number. Don't forget, you don't start from here. Start from here. 7, 2, 5, 9. Minus. That's my operation sign. Then I'll start asking the necessary questions. 5 minus 7 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. This place will be 15. 15 minus 7, you have 8. This place, I have 9 before I removed 1. So I have 8 left. 8 minus 2, that is possible. 6. This is 3. 3 minus 5 is not possible. I borrow 1 from here. This will become 13. 13 minus 5, that is 8. Right? So this place, I have 2 left because I borrowed 1 to this place. So I also borrow 1 from here to here. This place will become 12. 12 minus 9, that is 3. So here I have 6 left. So this is the result of removing this number from this number. Now let's go to the next one. 6, 4, 1 minus 8 minus 6 is possible. 2. 6 minus 4 is also possible. 2. 8 minus 1 is possible. 7. Write my 3. Write my 6. Now the last number. Start from here, not from here, to avoid mistake. 5, 9. My operation sign. 2 minus 5 is not possible. I'll borrow 1 from here to here. So this is now 12. 12 minus 5, 7. I have 1 left here. I'll borrow 1. 1 minus 9 is not possible. I'll borrow 1 to here. So this is 11. 11 minus 9, that's 2. I have 6 left here. I have 3. I have 6. So this is my final answer. 63,627. So if you remove this, and this from this first one, your final answer will be this. So those are steps you need to follow to perform subtraction operation on whole number. Let's go to the next set of numbers. Let's go to fractions. How do we perform subtraction operation on fraction? Subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions. In our last video, I explained that when you want to perform addition and subtraction operations on fractions, you need to look for LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. It means that you need a number that all the denominators will be able to divide without any remainder. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just go and watch our last video, then you understand what I am saying. So let's look at examples to guide us on simple steps you need to take to perform subtraction operation on fraction. Let's say you have a question that says solve 3/4 minus 1/8. The first thing you need to do is to look for LCM of 4 and 8. And what is the LCM of 4 and 8? The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. 4 can divide 8. 8 can also divide 8 without any remainder. Now, you draw the line. You place your LCM here. You only need to look for LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominators, not the LCM of the numerators. So, 4 in 8, 2. 2 times 3, 6. You use the result of your division to multiply the numerator. You place your sign. 8 in 8, 1. 1 times 8, 1. So, 6 minus 1, 5, right? Over 8. So, the answer to this question is 5/8. Let's look at another example. Example 2. Let's say you have a question that says 7/2 minus 23/10 minus 2/4. Now, the first thing you need to do as usual is to look for LCM of 2, 10, and 4. That is, you look for the LCM of the denominators. And what is the LCM of the denominator? The LCM is 20. 2 can easily divide 20 without any remainder. 10 can divide it. 4 can divide it. Then you draw your line. Place your LCM here. 2 in 20. 10. 10 times 7. You have 70. Minus 10 in 20. 2. 2 times 23. That is 46. You place your minus. 4 in 20. 5. 5 times 2. 10. So the next thing to do is to subtract all these numbers 10 and 46 from 70. Let's do it step by step. 70 minus 46. We borrow 1 to this place. Then we have 4. This is 6. Right? 6 minus 4. 2. So that is what? 24. So 24 minus 10. 4, 1. We have 14. So 70 minus 46 minus 10. You have 14/20. Now, you need to, it is ideal to reduce this fraction to the lowest. 2 can divide 14 to give 7. 2 can divide 20 to give 10. So our final answer will be 7/10 because there is no number that can divide 7 and 10 at the same time. Let's look at one more example to boost our understanding of the concept of subtraction on fractions. Let's say you have a question that says 4 whole number 2/5 minus 1 whole number 1/8. Let's say you have this question. There are two ways of solving this question. Let's go by saying method 1. Under method 1, what we'll do is that we first of all subtract the whole numbers before we finally subtract the fractions. Now, 4 whole number 2/5 minus 1 whole number 1/8. So, say, let's put all the whole numbers together. 4 minus 1 plus 2/5 minus 1/8. So, 4 minus 1 is 3. Let's solve the fraction as usual. LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 8? 40. So 40 is a number that 5 can divide without any remainder and 8 can divide without any remainder. So 5 in 40, 8. 8 times 2, 16 minus 8 in 40, 5. 5 times 1, 5. So this we now have 3 plus 16 minus 5, 11/40. So our final answer is 3 whole number 11/40. So that's method 1. So let's look at method 2. Under method 2, we are going to do little conversion. In our previous videos, I said it is possible to convert mixed number to an improper fraction. Likewise, you can also convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. So let's use that method for this one. 4 whole number 2 over 5 minus 1 whole number 1 over 8. The first thing we do is to convert 4 whole number 2 over 5 to an improper fraction. How do we do that? 5 times 4, 20 plus 2. This is 22 over 5. Wait, place your sign. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 8. Then the next thing is to look for the SM of 5 and 8, SM of the denominators. So we have 40. 40, 5 in 40, that is 8. So 22 times 8. 8 times 2, 16. We keep 1. 8 times 2, 16 again, plus 1, 17. So that is 176 minus 8 in 40, 5. 9 times 5, that is 45. So this is 45. So we now do 176 minus 45. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. So we have 131 over 40. So you can now, this is an improper fraction. So the next thing is to convert it to mixed number. How do we do that? Now ask, how many 40 can we get in 131? That would be 3. So 3 times 40, 120. 131 minus 120. This is 1. This is 1. This is 0. So we have 11 left. So this will be 11 over 40. The answer for the first method and the second method are the same. So let's go to the last set of numbers. Subtraction of decimal. In our previous video, I've explained about decimals. A decimal or a decimal number is a number that has a decimal fraction part and a decimal point. So that is just the meaning of a decimal number. So let's look at an example to understand how subtraction. We have 8, 2, 3. Then you place the operation sign. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible. You borrow 1 from there. So this one will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. Here you have 4 left. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 3 is not possible. You can borrow 1 from here to here. This will become 11. 11 minus 3, that is 8. Right? Then you have 6 left here. 6 minus 8 is not possible. You borrow 1 from here. This will be 16. So 16 minus 8, you have 8. And you have 3 left here. Don't forget your point. It's very, very important. Then the next number is 5.5. You place your point as usual. You write the number before decimal point. The next number is 5. Like I said, you can write 0 before the 5 after the decimal point. So you can write it like this. This one will now become 5.5. It's the same thing as 5.5000. These zeros did not affect the value of 5.5. You understand? It's just to make it more accurate, right? So this will now be 0, right? 0, 5. Place your operation sign. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Place your decimal point. 8 minus 5, 3, then 3. So that means if I subtract this decimal number and this decimal number from this one, what I will get is 33.322. So I think this is very simple to understand. Let's do one more example to understand it further. Let's say you have a question that says solve 6 minus 0.378. Now, this is whole number. This is a decimal number. So, the easiest way to solve this question is to convert this whole number to decimal. 6 is the same thing as 6.000. Don't forget, 0 after decimal is not that important. So, 6.000 is the same thing as 6. Then you place your decimal point as usual. You write your 0, 8, 7, 3, and you put your operation sign. Very important. So 0 minus 8 is not possible. This one is also 0, this one is also 0. What do? You borrow 1 from here to here. This is 10. 10 minus 1, this will become 10 as well. You borrow another one from here, this will become 10. So this is 10 minus 8. You have 2, right? 10 minus 8, you have 2. Here you have 9. 9 minus 7, 2. Here you also have 9. 9 minus 3, 6 point. What do you have left here? 5. So if you subtract 0.378 from 6, what you are going to have is 5.622 as your answer. So far, so good. This is how to perform subtraction operation on whole numbers, fractions, and decimals in mathematics. Follow all these steps and you find it easy to solve any subtraction operation in mathematics. Thank you for watching and listening. Like this video, make your comments, do help us to share the videos, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.